This is the Xpandor Pro, contemporary designed retractable security barrier. Product is available in a range of colors and it features 5 rows of traditional X-type flights. The flights are positioned in such a way for maximum strength, as well as when you're in a seated position, it offers unobstructed views through the center part of the door. All the moving componentry is securely protected by a double upright system, which is securely fastened and anchored with a semi-tubular rivet. The product features a double locking point, single key entry slam lock, and the entire lock assembly is housed within an aluminium extrusion, ensuring additional strength as well as protection against corrosion. Well, at Xpanda, we understand that you would be living with this product for many years to come. For that reason, we make use of glass-filled nylon componentry top and bottom that operates within an aluminium top and bottom track, ensuring smooth operation and fairly quiet as well. Our products are all chemically anchored to the reveal it is affixed to. So often we see security barriers simply pull out of the wall. Our chemically anchoring process ensures a permanent bond between the product fixings versus the mortar it is being affixed to. In fact, we are so confident in this product's ability to stop criminal activity that if it doesn't do what we said it will do, we will give you your money back as per our terms and conditions. To get a quote on this product, or for more information, a free security assessment, simply hit the Get a Quote button and our consultants are standing by to be in contact with you. Thank you for choosing Xpanda.